guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
No vie many receipts gear. Ije. Oyi na wa no nya wa no go me control we mo collect that a YouTube will collect. We show the person will try coming. What coming? Wa follow me wa where make where message to nene ya we can do it. No.
Believe in your spiritual. If you believe in spiritual, you believe in God. As you sit down for the moment.
You go. No wahala dey here. I don't worry. I can. You suffer the look there. Don't not they even test 1 cent. Well, based your way you told the social media, €1. Osaloba magweriwe. Ugima bononya kama gweriwe. Eziendo magweriwe you know. The Facebook una. Ubezanza una gbelawa for free. No nonsense, no compensation, nothing. The same people not give what we are not doing. You are not your ticket. You are not working. You didn't we are going.
Bishop, that the wrong is what
Ebony manulele gbina for no reason.
Now the page is still insult me.
I'm not here second myself. Don't move.
And now the page is still insult me. Don't mumu. Don't praise the coconut head. They say your head be like watermelon. Not be the same page you sit there insult me. Don't go and when I go and look for work. You know they work. Now it make you day Facebook. If you they work, you know go day Facebook. See your friend don't run come on for us. Ajeboy na miere luefi. Ajeboy all he mate they go do shopping for their children. He don't run come on for us. He say don't run go pay. Now as I did they chop now. Now by this time, 9 months they come up for us. Ajeboy your papa na your chairman. Don't prince. Ajeboy your chairman. He don't run Christmas come. Ajeboy don't come up for us. Ajeboy mate they buy something for his children. As Ajeboy no fit do for his own first children, he not go see I. They do for the one when they get. So. Oni ihe memu gbajebo. Since Ajeboy na miere ruefe, he abandon his 2 daughters. He they know whether the children they eat. You know they know whether the children whether they know they eat.
Because you don't run come for inside
whether the children know they eat. He no fit take care of children. Ajeboy na miere ruefe. He no fit take care of children. Come reach today. Any man when he no fit take care of children, any children when they born, he no fit still take care of them. Na cost to them. See now, that all mothers now, all fathers, that they buy clothes for children. Ajeboy na miere wefe or huzo laha. Ajeboy na miere wefe huzo na ekewe. Ajeboy oche emi na otan olaha. Ajeboy na street na they eat they go. If you no eat for Medona, you go eat for Mama Put for Spain. Ajeboy mates, all of them now, that they carry their children, they go different shop, go they do shopping. Ajeboy say he come out, he travel. Whether sister drive and put for outside though, I don't know. I don't know where Ajeboy na miere luefe. Ejoki shana. Wada yeli no mu hegbo yo no miere luefe. Who sit do na be richness. That means this man don't go ever reach. He can never reach. Now there, now they can see the one where they call him Don Mumu. I never see priest when Mumu since I was born. Now only this one. Now see, he say he be priest. He go down where that they call this man for Bini name. Now he go down na be name o da oige. O elien do. Igodalo, Eda bien without chain priest. Igodalo. Dom Igodalo. You not be Dom priest, you be Dom Igodalo. Dom Igodalo, Eda bien. King Yabehi. Is your father a king? When you will come be priest? This priest, where you give yourself, where you for be priest? Ekenutiyo ason when I a priest. You don't see your life now. Your life now. You don't talk to Bekere. Bekere when on your soak. Domumu. You know the shame. That your papa, the time when your papa they do native daughter. Any fowl when they carry con, you know go school that day, you want keep fowl. You want use intestine of fowl to do go. All your mate they go school, no fee go school. Come on page, you no fee control your page. Now Infinity Saga. Now you give a key of your page. Infinity Saga now use the key to open the page, finish. You can't change your password. Infinity Saga, he carry the key, he swallow am. No mind now. He don't stay for camp, stay. He stay for camp for Italy. Instead of to stay, may he get document, he can run enter this thing. Napoli. Because you're made for Napoli. A belly hotel. Now, person hotel you dey, person they celebrate just now. You're made for Napoli. A belly hotel. Where my man, you're made where they build hotel. Uda. Igodalo. Ayo we no Rodalo. Waka Rodalo. Uda wi keke. Or show no dalu jowi keke. If you dey waka they go look front, no you they look back. Igodalo. Na Igodalo na papa and mama give am. Igodalo aba be no muhe. Don't priest. Now you drag Ajebo na miere luefe. Idomi. Domi. Oi, sauku. Iya mu domire o. Iya kiek mize. Iya na ya lesu yi domi. Na only Ajebo say, he said bag of rice. He can't use a take costume for it domi. For the whole organization in Nigeria say, oh, not only Ajabo na miere luefe na they say rice they can take costume for Indomie. When Indomie, Chinese people don't already put sauce for Indomie when you go take do Indomie. Ajabo. His mama don't eat Indomie, eat. His mama don't dey see she take. Our Luna. Now me talk pass. Now him be all those men. Oh, be atane won gbe. You know they remember they do better thing for life again. Now be all those irrelevant men when they did Facebook. All these people now woman see now they still go stay hard. And the worst part of it, they don't get their own house. They stay with woman for house. Igodalo, everywhere you we move away. Una si Igodalo, una we priest working. The king no be able tell Doni which king born you. Which king born you, Igodalo? You know the shame. Infinity Saga. I don't you. You don't feel control phone by yourself. And your papa tell you say make you go school that year. You don't feel go. If you reach France for there, you'll see people who go help you control your phone. No. You know the shame. As when tu we wa kon de wa o degbe. Who we wa kon de wa o wu kono do mai. O wu kono kicho degbo degbe o ku are ami o degbo wu ko we kiki. Wa kon na wa de we. Wa ki aso ki akokelo. Now maybe they don't praise. Upon the ocean. Upon the ocean when you shout for your page. Now maybe they don't praise. Una no dey hear me. Now maybe they don't praise. Upon the ocean. Yeah, move with page. Yeah, move back. Maybe very soon now. That man, he go set the page. He go go find who. Where that one they carry page, they go. That one will 6 people pay. See. It's ain't the four. That man when they carry on a page, it they colo. Tiye the inform me here. Now maybe they don't press. Una no dey hear me. Eh? Una no dey hear me. Ederi owe nya wo kame kwakwa sebo, wo kame asebo. Imame ekeno wo kame na ya webo. You have come here before. You have not come here. You have not come here. Illiterate man. Eh? You have come here before. Please say no. You have not come here. Oh. See English when I Greek baze. They say travel is part of education. Common France where they don't know how to speak. Speak Benin language. Egwaze. Zebo egwaze. The pidgin English egwaze. Now let that one know how to talk. You have come here before. You have not come. Now English when this person, that woman, the children when you born now. This woman will just go use pidgin English just to spoil their life. How? Don't Prince. You know what he was say. Make we see where Rita for. You get one word when you talk. He say Ugbuke. Vio when na your tore. Don't Prince you want me go over. So don't Prince page when you tell insult me. You don't see money. If I said me. I want a few bedroom reve. Agbon my. Ajebo sisi when you come up for us now. You know, say as he face be. If they hungry, one he pat it down. Or mommy can knock him solo pagenya mu yeho. We no koko solo bigo. Prince of native daughter has. Eh! He said be Don Prince. You not just see name. You go dalo. Look front, na be name oh. Now front at the look. Now be name for when they give him for Bini, go dalo. Stupid man. Ozo. All those one when women put for house. They be relevant men now. A real man when he get document, he get in your house. What you want they do for Facebook? If they go break, go so if he carry bag, he will go work. If he come for work, he enter house. Now women come put them for house. Ha! Oh, wait till our women do this, men. They just use less than finish. As Don Prince don't reach for abroad now, Don Prince not get house of his own. Don't say now Don Prince still build this one room. Don Prince, come on one room. Do not feel build. One room, not build one flat. One room. As Ajebo still big, come on one room. Ajebo, maybe you want to go find work for Spain. Because I have get bugbe. I get be. Maybe you want to go find work so that make it they use the paper they work. Oh, image when they don't build hotel now, Ajebo they have them they celebrate. If you then find who go help you celebrate, now Ajebo, don't worry. Now you go help me celebrate my house. The day when I go open, I'll just say that I give you Ajebo. Hey pa, la me no a barista. Imo wagwe. La go celebrate. Every evil people when they Nigeria, when they relocate from Spain go Nigeria. If the bill has finished, they'll go give to Ajebo. Yeah, where hey Larry. Where we saw her. Ou government qui a goué moins fier publicita Ajebo rewa ni ogbolika e Facebook as I see say no see Ajebo again I say where this man enter Where are the boy na me the lu efe joking nai? Or we in race pay. He days pay. You see the boss say as I days pay, I don't visit 3 states for Spain. Who ask you? Jebo or no? The person go tell the person say, you know, see you go help and pull house for Harvard too. Now they connect the guy got to say, aha. You dey phone why people are for Harvard. He say yes. He say, I get on Facebook with one young boy like Kiaeva. Ajebo. Go give Ajebo. May help you put on for air. He say, he be no say Ajebo. They say, every Harvard. If they want sell bag of Smith, now Ajebo, he put on for Harvard from Facebook. Oh, we be no. Oh, we yamuge no na miera wefe. Oh, we yamuge. This one when they carry give don priest so. Ajebo no see where do live video. Now they cannot give no priest. If not. The mama when come for straight pass when days I may I put a picture for you. That one when be like Maduma. Nah what? Go na see ya. Maduma no ro nothing. What that go? Heavy. Anything any Harvard mu gabo one vat. Everybody when they Spain when don't build hotel. The one when they London when don't build hotel. The one when they America. The one when they Italy. The one when they everywhere. Now Japan now they have them they put them for Harvard. I am yoga gabo mu vat. He not their house now. Now he make they can't give them priest. They give them priest say and the boss say you know we'll see where do live video. I bet you see help us put this hotel for Harvard. Now the boss called them priest say may put that house for Harvard. So this one if Ogun way go keep this one. If the Ogun kill and finish, that means that the Ogun no go ever work again. If Ogun palan, you don't say as he be motivational speaker, depression woman, and the priest. See your life now. You not a shame. Heavy. But we check where Rita for talk to you.
Here you dey go. No wahala dey here. I don't wear ring and a item. You suffer the look there. Domugu, not they even test 1 cent.
Domugu.
Where base your way you told service social media. €1. Usalobo amagweriwe. Ugima bononya kamagweriwe. Eziendo magweriwe you know. The Facebook una. Ubezanza una gbelawa for free. No compensation, nothing. The same people not give what me and not boy, you not see your digging. You know, you're working naked in we and go. A bonity and to serve a boy. A bonny man will leg me now for no reason. Near move boy. To serve a boy, to serve one way. I'm not here second myself. Don't move. Because you don't run come for inside your house to say you want to fight. You don't know, say, that's the way you want to follow fight, not be the way where you want to fight, you want to fight you. A way of being a young go. A way of being here locate to way. A cannot ballow and no dash you, no ballow, a cannot da where Fefan here locate. Almost so June came and we say, who are almost to win as a boy. Rather, I want. Why till I video and manage you know? Damugu, a market. So, page where you they shout every day. Rita Kokobiri, you don't finish. Or you continue for this new one, may you shout. We give you 2 years to shout again, but
don't go.
That is just something. Shouting is not our
business.
You
go down,
actually. We will never shop it.
You go down.
All the pages when I use my innocent parents stay open for this live video. Why are you? No one will stay on a hand.
So you be my number 1 fans. Love it. Thank you very much.
Where Irana wate na adweki as a presenters after wa akpani ye kuwa no be say na even joke why have you talk you see wetin I dey talk for this Facebook today me una go mark am down itano ho you wire boy e do cyberspace na because e wunana gbo ya lazi osamu gbe Nigeria ngwa hin am gbe all of you e page ni ri la ni wasoka no ya ri la ni wasoka why you say page ni ya gun iri ohun anje ni wa why you gbo my gbe po mi am no so wa se ru wa bi so wa just look at you people today don mumu you don't have platform. The Rita way all of una come out, come follow, shout for streets.
Now so my person, if you not there anywhere, na better pass so. We not there anywhere. Thank you to be my number one fans. We not there anywhere.
Yes. Even if Momu Salobwaji, he saw.
We dey carry chair up and down the waka.
This is what you people saw.
Oswald, you have to say who is the kiss
Oswald. They develop different excuse. They follow me. They go. Today unko. Osalo buano kumanya no very papa. You walk boto. You walk in nekede no biagwa. See as una come be. All the shots where you the shots since how many years? 3,000 followers. If you say no be KO family. That KO family I get message for another day.
Shut.
I greet the whole house. I greet everybody.
Shut up.
I thank you for supporting the prince.
Who they support you?
I believe in reality.
What be reality?
I believe in freedom.
What be freedom?
My coming to social media is for freedom.
You're coming to social media.
You understand me? So I don't believe in lies. I don't believe in people using lies to saga people. I don't like it. That is why I say me. I don't feel like this person. And they hear me so. Don't prince. I know try make I like this person because of
who your lie. Even if say you lie, who your lie.
So this Kokobiri woman will talk to so because he's not from Nigeria anymore.
Who tell you?
As she has married to Kokobiri, definitely he's supposed to be Kokobiri family. But I doesn't know why she's still trying to bring the Benin down. Try to use lie.
As if a woman put you for us, it means say you not be Benin again. As if a woman carry you put for her, as you open mouth down like see mouth. As you open mouth down like waiting, I don't know. As that is a woman put you for us, it means say you not be Benin ma again. Because if you even reach Ishalan self, every year san other rukbugere fin noe. Every year san other rukbugere fin noe. What do they call? You go dalo. Go walk, you not go walk. See as teeth full your mouth. How many teeth you even get, self? This mouth teeth. He reach 42. Oh. He plenty. Ababa will cut on. He teeth plenty well. No please. Your teeth plenty, oh. Gloria. Yeah, you need a bow hike at home. If I say me I dey beat out the pity for him. Stupid boy. Gakon. No, na help me count the teeth wey even dey from self. This one don't pass 20. He plenty, oh. Oh, count on 1, 2, 3. Why they say baby obo? Omi obo gbiru wedi. Aya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The one wey dey front for here na 8. Na 8. Yeah, come here and count my own. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got to be 8. 8 there for down. The second side, how many go see the 8 for inside? 8. Inside 8. The second inside 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 8 again for only down. He got teeth like this thing, dragon. You know, the dragon got many teeth. tomato. It did plenty, oh. 8 day front. Inside, 8 day. That is 16. 16 plus another 8 again. But we calculate am. Only down and low is 24. Wait. Only down and low, now 24 teeth. Now he get for down. How many teeth this boy get? 24 teeth for down. 24 plus 24. That means now 48 teeth let this guy get. Now he make her dey eat cucumber like that. He can eat cucumber. Don Prince. Then they call you Don Mumu for here. This my cough don't want finish. It be like dragon. I don't say dragon, they get many teeth. Now, wow. He has a big head, so he also supposed to have plenty teeth. God, please. You know, commenter. You said that he has big head. He's supposed to have plenty teeth. One person even say he had to be like watermelon. Yeah, you know there when one person Williams. One person felt say he had been like watermelon. No, you see, he get big head. He's supposed to have plenty teeth. Don Mumu. Hey, he teeth plenty, oh. Hi, this guy go the chew mat well. Foolish boy. Don Mumu. When I got that, Ajaba na me ya we say at the insult. I do video for Ajabo. The video don't reach almost 3 months. He goes along and come out. Now the Ajabo can see him. When Ajabo can they saga me. But listen to the Mumu boy.
It's against the Benin to cause hatred among us.
He know they cause
Fine,
hatred.
now this what he happened to. I come out.
He know they cause hatred to una. Now the same fight, not all of una they fight. The same fight. Village boy. Okay, no, the village boy. Now what might put on for us, oh? Oh, what woman wa? Hey, you go, you go. Or you go there from Facebook, they say, make I talk, oh, Don Mumu. They don't use you, don't to Mumu.
I not to say this guy not they give me money. I not to say my admin not they give me money. I say, but he not they transparent. I say I know they see where the money they pass.
Okay. If he not they give you money, why you go they complain? I will say that man, that old man when they carry on this thing. I will say that old man they give you, for example, say now 500, and they give you every month. You not go talk. You not go talk. 500 say now this guy they give you every month. Because they know they pay una. Now shishi, couple now that they pay una. If they can't go pleat paper come and they'll say, see money when they pay me. For where, how? Who want pay una the money? Wait una they do for there. Or not take the fool myself. If that old man say if they give you 500 euro every month, you not go talk. You not go talk. See, it be like who they sleep. Now talking they talk so they sleep.
I want to see the money. Share all of them the way they follow me. Since where this matter, this saga starts. All of them see the way I tell explain. Give una say, see what happen. I not stable lie. So Rita Kokobiri, I believe say this one will be a sign of disgrace and shame to your generation. Because of the
now you disgrace entire body, so you know say now you disgrace entire body. You were a fellow old man. Old man. Now they help you, they control your page. You were old man, they control your page. Not be you foolish pass. Now you mumu pass. You don't know computer. You don't get nothing when you know. Only waiting you just know. Give this woman belle. Come on for there. Go give another one belle again. Leave that one. Go give. You don't give women belle. Now Isha woman, now you can't end up with. I don't even know Isha woman when you accept yourself. You don't get document. You don't get work. You don't get house. Before you know now, the woman now, you go see drive you come out. Don't mumu enter house. I first tell you say make you enter house. Go find better thing they do for your life. That day you be told say you they work. They don't see you, they don't see work again. Eh? Now biggest fool na it be. Yeah, you don't get sense at all. Now to shop like cool. Now you know you wear me look begu. Now not that village Emelana, that Emele do, we they call her Emele San. Now so he busy teeth. I don't know whether he go put teeth for John teeth. Eh? Mumu man.
You just
Mumu
did.
boy.
With the share can't give me. Say you have been searching for my downfall to come. See, let me tell you. Me, not be Don Prince.
You said that they look for your downfall. You first go up when they want bring you down. Don Prince. If you go up, you go know how to respect yourself. What did they want bring down for you? The shout when you they shout, I be the Don Prince. I be the Don Prince. I be the Don Prince. Now they want to bring you down. They know who that they bring down. No be person when don't already dey ground. Who don't sit down for ground? If they push on again, he go fall past ground again because he don't already sit down for ground. So if me still they talk now, you see come and come they talk, little boy. Little boy. As you just conjure rope, wait till you just know. If you fuck Toto finish, you go they chop at the jam. If you chop at the jam finish, you go fuck Toto. If you chop this thing finish, wait till that they call am. Banco. If I don't make banco for you, go see when you know done. They use and chop. If you chop finish, you go the shit for toilet. They be This mumu man. You know see the day when they speak English? Have he come here before? No, he has not come here. English master with English mistress. I pity the woman when he put you for house. That woman now, nothing when that woman fit do now, you will come be backward. Irrelevant man, any woman when put irrelevant man put for her, the man they become, the woman go dey backward. Because this one cannot help person. Common money for shampoo, this man no get. Money, now make on the Baba Abolo. You all carry yourself sit down. You go all Baba Abolo by yourself. This Abolo when the Baba show, no be. You know they go salon go the Baba Abolo. Now the Baba not by himself because he no get 30. You know when you want a bab hair. Go work, Don Prince. I don't tell you, say, may you go work. Go and work. You are too small for this thing that you are doing. Small boy. Small boy, go and work. You too small for this nonsense life when you they live. Go reach France for them now. All your mate they work. You will constantly talk to people when you better person. How can a man at your age? You don't pass 15 years for Europe. Most of your mate they, beneath guys, they don't read the years when you reach. They get house for Nigeria. You don't they donate your spam, they go. Spam donate. You they donate spam, they go. Anywhere you see a woman sit down, you go tell her, say, you need spam. If you see a woman sit down for you, you need spam. You they donate your spam, they go. Spam donator. Uwa mwe spam wobo. Riche spam we no rien parmi. How many women want born for you? Eko woda bienye. You know they take care of your children. Now the children when you know they take care of so, elimi wohan, angel of little children, they go just can't they flog you. See face, he do face like puff when so quiet. He do face like puff when this thing to catch. If Becky Pada If he too cash puff, now so they be. How can man go get face like this? See face, he make boy. He face make boy. Go find something they do, don't please. Make you stop to they fool yourself. I know they like to they talk to you because you too small. If I they talk to you, be like say, I they talk to my, say you be my junior brother. No say junior brother they day. You too small. You know they shame. This mumu man. Huh? Nonsense. I mean want pull life for your this thing.
As I sit down for, now God lift me. You know, say sometimes
God,
if you sit down for, no fear.
God know if he lift you. Why God want lift you? You won't give woman belay, you abandon the woman, abandon children, you go stay with another woman. How God want to lift you? How God want to lift you? You know they shame. You say not to control when neither they talk. Now the repercussion. Now come on, I caught up with you so. Come on. Your mates that did their own house. Your new boys now that they pay house rent for their house. You they carry bag with the nylon bag up and down. Small boy. Little boy. Find something else to do. Your mates, they don't remember small when they will graduate, come out for university. You just they carry your spam, they go, just they donate your spam. I they press and make the spam no consider dozua the way when you take dozua. See your face. Small pikin way no get sense. All your mates, new boys, they are out there doing good for themselves. You dey Facebook. Your mate dey France that they do black job. Before month go end, so they go receive 1,600 euro. Before they do black job for you, so they receive 2,000 euro. Because people when they do black job, they get money where. Because they don't they do it for one place. They Facebook for there. If they cook fried rice, give you will sit down for Facebook. You they pack and put for mouth. The spoon will they enter your mouth. Igwo. May well na even winner. You know get work. All your mate they are busy working. Come and start down here. Come see small children, small boys, Bini boys, Ishan Agbo, Ora, Auchi. They there. They make money for streets. Lazy youth. You there for Facebook, they fool yourself. You they waste your time. Use yourself, take tonto. Old man. You won't use yourself, take tonto. Ajeboy na miera luefe. Na Ajeboy na 20-something years now. Ajeboy na miera luefe. Now day for abroad. Courage today. Ajeboy never break block for his sites. I don't say now Ajeboy now he get this site. You know how many block don't break for here? No. They'll say now Ajeboy get this site. You know how many people don't work for here? Since when some boys there, some Benin boys, since when they don't they work for their house for Nigeria, people when they don't work for that house, they don't pass. They'll say over 20 people don't work for this house. Over 20. This one go work in you. Who they mow block? That one go do it. Oh, who they set block? That one go do it. Oh, who they do concrete? That one go work in. Oh, who they roof? That one go do it. Oh, nobody who go put this thing wood. Nobody go put roof. Nobody go put this thing on top of the wood. You know how many people? The guys will say, you know how many people don't take work for his side? This Domumu not be like that. There for Facebook, you don't old finish. That day they say, me lovely, you won't be old, ma. Me with you now, if me with you stand at my age, I see no pass you. See the way when you be, you don't get eye bag now don't they come for your face. Stress. Eye bag when they na wish. See now, it don't they grow for Don Priest face. No be them Don Priest eye so. See how Don Priest don't get eye bag. See how. Now so they grow. See how Don Priest, you don't get eye bag for your face. Boy. No boy. At your age, you don't develop eye bags for your eye. You don't see who talk to you. You there for everywhere because you don't see sister when talk to you. You don't get mama when you go talk to you. You know they talk to yourself. I don't go come even they talk say the priest if they crazy so good they kill you. You know where you demand. No, make I advise you. You need that advice because I be your senior sister. I senior you. See your face. See the priest don't get eye bag. When I see Don Priest don't get eye bag, go. Me, when you dey talk to, I don't get eye bag. May I show you my face? May I show you my face? How old are you? You know how many years I take senior? You are not old rich like this. Yeah, Don Priest don't they get eye bag. See Don Priest, see eye bag. It don't they grow small. See, more see for here. See, he I not they let her open. Wait, they beg it, but they go. Give me make I draw small. Give me make I draw small. You know the shame. Little boy, you become an old man. Oh, you see small boys now. If they wear cloth, their cloth go reach ground. Don't Prince go wear cloth. The cloth go fold. The cloth go hand for chest. Don't Prince never go dey ground. Don't Prince never go dey ground. Go say, "But what chain now, you don't see your cloth size by. I be now the woman when still put you for house. Now in cloth you see they wear. He go talk, he go raise his hand up. Before he go say, may he carry his hand down. The cloth don't reach on top of his breast. Never go dey ground. Now so if you see never, now so he never. May if you go inside. Now so the boy still be. Your Ajebo supposed to be your mentor. I will say Ajebo say, as he made content do something for Europe, say Ajebo do something like that. Ajebo supposed to be your mentor. See the way when Ajebo be like person when John new smoking go finish. Frustration. Look at Ajebo face. See Ajebo. He be like person when high. Frustration, now ain't not Ajebo for where it is. Ajebo don't they cover up with his Facebook filter. Facebook filter, now Ajebo they put for face. If you see Ajebo for real ground, Ajebo or Ariwosa, bullet no go green enter Ajebo again. See, Ajebo supposed to be your mentor. And Ajebo become a man when he don't know where they go, know where they come. See the way when Ajebo be. Which of Ajebo age mate when he be like this? All Ajebo mates, all of them, they control hotel. Who they control hotel, they control hotel. Who they control filling station, they control filling station. Who they control small company, they get small company. You see say Ajebo, no evil try, make it her. You can't see go to Goma. As Ajebo no make her, so you go to Goma Ajebo. As when time go come, the age when Ajebo spend for Europe, when it is useless, you yourself don't preach, you go still spend the age like that, you're still useless. Go man today, day down. My word, they surely come to pass. Look at Ajebo. Ajebo don't know what he want to do. As he come Facebook, he don't wear different clothes. He don't wear shiny. He don't wear where they call him net. He don't wear everything. I can't just say, see this man. This man don't know say he don't expire. Go reach today now Ajebo. 3 months ago, who get in a game of Facebook? 3 months ago, who get in a game of Facebook? See the way when Ajebo take off. Ajebo no gay. Ajebo no gay. Awa si wan. Ugena tina Ajebo. Ajebo don't yes say e no get bring 8,000 plus come on. At the bottom enter this. And now we saga now let this month now uge Martina get born now. From the beginning of December, now get Tina get born before they come enter November, before they come enter December, they not consider the boy again. Who get Tina get born? Who get Tina get born? See Ajebo now. Who tell Ajebo make Ajebo enter house? If they talk to Fravita, tell Fravita say, if you not find Obi Ohani or that small boy, if you know talk person matter, you know see food chop. Now say you don't enter house. Ajebo, you don't enter house. See now Ajebo now be your mentor. How can Ajebo be your mentor? Don't please. I talk and say, you know, see me for Facebook, where they go be your mentor. How can you use Ajebo as Ajebo ferish? Person when he don't go primary school. From primary school, enter secondary school. He never reach the way when Ajebo take for abroad for class. That they use 24 years. They finish primary school and secondary school. No. Ajebo don't spend 24 years for Europe. Ajebo nothing. He come Facebook. They drag him. Go here. I tell Ajebo say, enter see. This one when you they do so now disgrace. Now you go to enter house. Ajebo say, wait till they talk. Why at your honey gume? Why at your lovely gume? Now say, see me at the end of the day. Wait till I tell you. You know, knock for your hair book. Or knock. You come to Zuzu for social media, you want craze. I don't know if when you enter your head, I say, see this man, that's the full self. Ajebo supposed to be this one mentor. This one is supposed to be don't please mentor. I will say Ajebo say, oh me, agbebo ya agbeboa. Ajebo will come Facebook on the behave like this. I will say Ajebo, me just to read Ajebo say. I will say Ajebo maker. Una no go see Ajebo for Facebook. When me Ajebo with Facebook, I will get Ajebo maker. Ajebo go sit down for Facebook. He don't fight finish now, he don't enter house. Ajebo me, no gay. Ajebo me, later he can't go, they come from Nigeria buy Okrika, cloth can't give him. Okrika, Igbo Versace, Igbo Moschino. Now Nigeria now they for pack the cloth can't give and make they do live video. You don't enter house. I thought say you go enter house Ajebo. Today you come. E de den I wish when he send you come. E de den I wish put you for a second finish. The den I wish when he be wish when he they find people when they take off Facebook. Chama put you for chama no work. Nothing when they work for Ajebo nothing. Don't carry Ajebo give am. Wheelbarrow. Tell Ajebo say this wheelbarrow we give you. May you take work for. May you take the work. Use it to make money. Ajebo no if he push wheelbarrow. Very lazy man. He make belle bo. A man will be say that they work for Fabrica. Men will be say that they do business. That they think of how they will take the transact business to company. They know they see chance they get body. Your belly don't ripe. The belly don't ripe. Belly may see way. You will come Facebook, you will come wear clothes. You will come the dance and say, oh, this man, you don't know say your time don't pass. You don't know say your time don't pass. Don't come to say, even old school self no go carry you. Ama where na new guest, na one come carry you. When no one your boy, ya real your life for abroad. Work now they say may you work now you pack load come on for Spain. You can't come this thing. Uma go know your boy will Spain. Where we say Germany who can your boy. There you to go see your boy. Very soon at the woman when you follow say now go tell say may you go find work. Because as a amudiana awe or akpe namu asiere. If you don't take time when you don't take when you pull load for head, they will say, I bet my sister, you don't take when I carry this load, since help me drop her for ground. You supposed to be this ogogo mentor. Ajabo supposed to be this ogogo mentor. As they find people, they go, come they find poor people, they go. Ajabo don't know where to make a person. You can't follow small children. Follow small children, they chook hand for amus. They smell them for nose. He don't enter house. He don't send message. He send message go give from Victor. As from Victor, don't see say you dey craze again for city room for Germany. Then from Victor come they ask of you. From Victor say Vivian don't drive you enter outside. I'll be waiting for Victor to be that. From Victor look up because over 3 months now you take the saga. He do saga for good 3 months. Good 3 months now they about to do saga. Now some matter now they about start saga now. Soma. Oh no we saga when I about what here now. Go where can you say where you want use and rich. All he mate they busy. Now tell us go see 24 bit. Go see JJ Barry. Go see Destiny Bagua. I can't they tell us. Go see all those one. No, you know the year. You can't follow all those small boys. Small boys. Niari. Even if say those small boys went that day with you before, if they'll still even reach your age for Europe, they will still be like you, like Don Priest now. If Don Priest still reach your age for Europe now so it go still be. You go still be like Ajebo. I mo Ajebo mu yo mure. Caller go say, brother ni se we tell we. I say give me that we saga. Say Iwa unwa pok imago ni gwan sele as you do saga reach now where the award when they give you Ajebo and am here wealthy where the award when they give you awam ye ba me after you say na disgrace you go take enter house you know for inside this one on my way me na we Ajebo and am here wealthy or ekwe here Facebook I no come dey see am. Before Victor come look, Victor say he not see you again. Now Victor come say they can no ije. Now Victor come to say and Vivian don't drive and come for house. Now he run come and say he despair. Now by this time now you go take despair. When fellow men like you, they carry children go shopping now. They do Christmas shopping. They help children now. They put small children now. They are in with their father. That they put Christmas tree for house. See, so at the boy, so in wewa so what to wewa so kwakeka. The shout when you shout for Facebook, you shout and throw away at the boy. I think say now 50,000 euro now you go walk. I think say if Facebook want pay you, they go pay you 50,000 euro. Uso in Weso, where's that me go boa? Uso in Weso, where me go bo? Shout when you shout at the boy, you see money. Oh, let's say, thought is go visit Ilo. As they come up for Ilo place. Rain up no dark oh. He not give a sign say rain go fall. Now I thought it's got to say I will say you give me sign say you go fall. I'll kukuma say my in-law place. Now the rain me buru. Now I thought he say he can't so free. Go on that tree. He can't hide. Make the rain fall. If he fall finish, he go house. Now so the rain make brrr, he stop. Now I thought he's got to say he know something no when he no go reach evening. Now so he dey be. Hey, you better say moi in your jai. Now be this at the ball. Papa cannot give you 25 euro again. How you dey? Papa cannot give you 25 euro again. Ordinary 25,000 naira. Now Ajebo can fool himself, disgrace himself. Ajebo, ana mwe na mi na wukpe. Wade, Ajebo we swear, Ajebo we swear. And then I Ajebo working we na say. Ajebo na mo Ajebo we na mu ne wukpe. If I Ajebo so na the streets. So upon all the shout when you shout at Ajebo, your mate now they carry children, they go do shopping. You travel, go Spain. You will come explain why. Now me you will come explain to. I know they insult you now. Now me you will come explain to. Waiting make you go Spain. Where is time for you to they carry Vivian with the pikin when you come meet for the house. With the boy when you they carry they go. This is time you're supposed to go do Christmas for them as a father. You will carry the boy. No, not let they give the boy chupa. Now you know. Daddy, I want chupa. You go lose and you go give her. You go Toto. Nani. Oh, no, woman like we bo. May come, may they arrange life together. This man, Toto Nani overnight. Oh, You don't get gray head for now. If you see the center of Ajebo head, gray head, they the center of Ajebo head. Gray! All he made they get gray hair for this edge of hair. You can go get plenty gray hair for there. Frustration gray hair. See the way they come out. Yo. Eh? Your mate, they go do this thing for children. Carry children, enter shop. Buy clothes, buy shoe, buy toy, buy everything. Like the time when my children small that time. By this time, Papa day house. Carry small children. Go do shopping for them. No, Ajebo, no. For Christmas, now you take go Spain. Something is fetching there. Something they happen. Now I make Victor come out. Victor when he come and say, they don't drive people for outside. Victor, Omako. Victor Macon, you know, con. Because Victor is a man. Victor knows say by this time, nine husband, they carry children with his wife come out, go they do shopping for Christmas. If you reach everywhere now, reach outside, reach all those big shop. Children, where small children, they buy something. If you read there now, children, food there. If you read there now, where they carry children, they go for Father Christmas and everything, where children, they play. With parents, their food there. Ajebo, live, he can't go Spain. Ajebo, wait till make you day Spain. You must come tell us. Because you be live video presenter. If we not see you again now, you know say I must ask, say, where Ajebo can enter? Now. After they watch, I say, where Ajebo can go? Where Ajebo can go? Or till Victor come talk say, they don't drive people for outside. Ajebo, now you go come tell us where you dey for Spain, buy ticket, go back home. Because this is the time you will take your son, go this thing. When the first children, when you born, you don't fit take care of those children. You don't fit still take care of the one when you they carry up and down the waka. Oh, all those men, I don't know. Una Euro, well, where in Europe, see, we a varier, and I spoil this man like this. I why you see, I le pepper soup, who gia headless fish, who gia yo, who mune cow leg yo, wag bemuni ayan yo. When they eat it finish, life don't eat for there. I can't Ajebo. The gospel now, the children when they spend now, you no go see there. You no go see there for how many years? Now come and I caught up with you so. Whether you will correct big ball for your Facebook now when you enter house. Ajebo small children use you to play ball finish for Facebook. Now you can't enter house. I think say you be one carry the face. I know say your own no go reach anywhere. I know say your own no go reach your I know say the dance when you dey dance say now this the earthworm. Oh, earthworm, man. If he come out for inside ground, he go dance for come out for inside ground. He go there on top of this thing grass or top of sand. If he dance, he go die. You go die for there. If they come, you say, this earthworm, you don't die. You go kino. You go they roll, they squeeze. Before you go know, the earthworm, you don't buy. Now, so your dance can't be for this Facebook. At the boy na mire luefi. You kino, you sha. Obi Ohana. They don't drive you enter house. Now you enter house by yourself. Person when they don't drive enter house, he enter house by himself. Oh, like people when they Facebook don't say lovely. That one. Even if say na one person that they watch lovely go dead there. Me, I carry this Facebook like New Benin Market. Una must come buy something. Now me be New Benin Market. Una must come. If una don't see buy for another place, una must come buy. See this one now. When you supposed to take, Ajabo supposed to be this boy mentor. Now he carry this one. Cause this one they shout. This one go they shout. If una dey hear me, not gonna say I dey here. Now so this one take shout. They will now so my person. John, they will learn. Ajebo supposed to be Domumu and this thing, metal. Ajebo, that one, or he frustrates. That one called the cloth with the Okrika. Igbo made Versace. Igbo made mosquito when they pack for Nigeria can't give her. He go wear and go tight ibele. Ibele go tight his waist go make bang. It go be like monkey when they pull rope for his waist. Now say, Ajabo, where you they go? Who you they do all those one for? Waiting women won't make them see. Now hotel, like me now. Now hotel want make I see. No be belle. You don't take the belle, the jeans when they wear. Okrika. Now bad jeans. Ajabo they abroad. Ajabo no fit buy jeans for abroad. Ajabo can they buy a bad jeans. Abba jeans, this t-shirt. Now there I say, oh. So Ajabona, so your life can't just take end. Like Bekere. I can't look, I can't say, jeans when this man wear. So this man no fit see money to buy jeans for Germany where they for there. Now Nigeria. Now they can from buy jeans can't give Ajabo, make Ajabo they wear. Abba made jeans. The shirt when they wear, Abba made shirt. Fake shoe and all. Now they wear. As he go wear fake mosquito. He dey tell me say, love like yeah, can't see this mosquito when I wear. You know I'm not say shut up. You go fit buy mosquito. Now the life when Don Mumu come they follow and they live be this. See Don Mumu head. Somebody said Don Mumu head be like a watermelon. He had me logo, me mignon. Come on for Don. I can and your boy be carry abolo. This one now, if you know what this is head now, I don't understand. The woman when you dey has the woman they try shout. See the head long where he head long pass his face. More than measure where he this is day he eyebrow day. From there go up. See how he high. From where he eyebrow day. From there go down. See how If you want hide something inside this head, you will feel hide something for them. Nothing there this head do. This don't priest, nothing there head. Wait, which I made it one food this head. My people, make una look. Say for example, say brain, in the full head. Say brain the full head. How many brain God wanted full this head? God will just use 5 people brain. Use a take feed one head. Mona see the head now. Mona view say there was say from eyebrow. Now there now God start to dey use brain take the feed head. Make una check am. How many brain God want to feed this head? If not, oh my God! Hey, I'm not sure I'm on the Facebook now. This one now, I bet me will say okay. What you want to feed this ererenoge e don prisina? Me say me will use padediam, Te fila. How many akbu go feed this brain? How many akbu make una don't write how many akbu go feed this brain from eyebrow. Me will say from the eyebrow, When I see that from the eyebrow go up small, when I see where that head for start, we'll say make you open the head. You know when you don't open the head now, it will come be like this thing uko. It will come be like uko now calabash. Those are they see calabash will be like this. Okay, say for example now say now brain, now fufu be. How many ball of fufu, go fit food this don priest head? Good evening, how you dey, Pretty Stella? How many ball of fufu? Now this guy no get brain. He no get brain. I don't know. The head too long. How brain? Go no. Not let you go just pack up your brain give. Now make am dey shout. No brain no dey head. It too high now. May you just check and measure am. Just carry ruler corner, just measure this thing. It too high. Just say okay, make they carry like how many fufu one? 8 fufu. So if you mold the fufu, 8 fufu, mold them together, put on for inside the head no go see full. Now you make this guy, if they shout today, people will say why they shout like this. He no get brain. Brain not there with her. Good evening, my sister. How you dey? Always brainy. You don't they get this thing now for eye like a day now witch.
Believe in your God. Believe in your spiritual.
Which God?
If you believe in spiritual, you believe in God.
Good evening. How you dey?
The moment you rise again,
Mama baby.
God will stand with you. People will stand with you.
Same to you.
Imagine in 48 hours,
Where?
1,000 people don't follow me. My lovers. Under 48 hours when I announce this page where they use to, I told us na kill family and dash me with 10,000 followers.
Now it dash you.
10,000 followers.
You
But
know
now,
the
we are now
shame.
11,000 followers. Congratulations to us, please.
No be you get on. Somebody, you know, see, you be backward human being. Something when person don't throw away. Now he give you. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Can't you open new page and grow it up by yourself? Tomorrow now, this one when KO family give you, tomorrow now, they will see paralyzer. And this page will be paralyzed. Not be said they go demolition. This boy na mumu. I felt I can say this is brain, nothing day. How can somebody give you a page? You they talk say you don't get 10,000. Your 1,000 don't follow and it don't be 11,000. Somebody page. Are you serious? That's a man be. Now this year now 40 something teeth now you get from mat to teeth when we can't adjust now teeth when they mat in full everywhere. Now one person say as he get big head, why you know get plenty teeth? boy is a moron. I know they like guys when they behave like moron. Somebody give you page. As I did now, somebody will say, love like that should that page. I know they carry. I prefer make my page, even if say now 1,000 people now I get. I prefer than somebody dash me. Don't please, you don't get page. KO family give you page. Fuen. KO family give you page. For your mind, say as that page now 10,000 followers, and I did that page. It means say why the 10,000 people not they follow you? Why the 10,000 people not they follow you as you start with the page? When I they live scream you just now, how many people they watch you for there? It not reach 200 now. Like say now 112 now they watch you for there just now. Oswo, this boy, why be say na remnant food now you they chop? Why did you eat remnant food? Men like you build something up by themselves. They don't pick remnant. Now remnant food now you eat. You feed with remnant. Remain something now you they eat. This boy you they fuck up. How can a dog guy, beneath man, beneath boy, they fuck up like this? It is an only you want to say like this. Beneath boy, you they fuck up. You are a disgrace. You become a disgrace, don't priest. You become a disgrace in this Edo Saba space. Even if say now 500 people now they follow you, be content with what you have. Now it's showing that you are not the owner of that page. Did you see the way you say na KO family now I give you page? That means say you cannot stood as a man. Arrange your page by yourself. You are a funny. You don't supposed to be a live video presenter. Live video presenter when they borrow page, they do live. Ajebo na miere wefe. Come see your godson. See your godson on look DJ. See your godson. How can you be a live? All these commenters when they comment, they follow us everywhere. Then they borrow page, they comment. Okay, that means say the follower when they then they'll go borrow page. They'll go borrow their Facebook page when they comment. They'll go borrow and now take out the comment for your own. Look at the way this guy, you are a disappointed. Look at the way you disappoint me. Oh, look at the way you disappoint me. How can somebody dash you a page? You cannot grow a page by yourself. Don Mumu. They call you Don Mumu. I know they like to call you Don Mumu because I don't like to use all those irrelevant words. Don Prince. Eja change. Odaloare. Now, first just now say na back. Now they look. Your mate they look front. You they look back. Don Prince. I heard do Jared town noir. Shame let you take open mouth say na person dash you page. Don't preach. Don't preach, you fuck up. I don't say you mumu like this, so. As I just be so. Me, as they love me reach for this Facebook, say, you see lovely. She know they gave you. She know they gave you. I still there with the little one when they come. You know me say, I go gather everybody before you go no say, I go give you. If I did for Facebook sometimes, 5 people they watch me, 15 people they watch me. Before I finish, you go be 1K. Now I know the content say if you reach lovely this thing now 25 people they watch them. At the end of the day, I don't know how it reach 1K when you can't watch lovely. Be content with what you have. Ja. Be content with what you have. Go and open. Don't preach. You don't get page. Don't preach. Now maybe the barrister. He white or he black or now me go tell you how he be. Don't preach. With the court of law. The court of law when we dey for here. Don't preach. You don't have page. You are using borrowing page. Now borrowing page. Now you tell the day life. Why are you lifing yourself with borrowing page? Why they life yourself with borrowing page? How? Oh my God! Only don't please now. Or my work come work.
They are progressing. Mona beg. Mona say congratulations, please. Before we start.
Hey! Azwo, see face. See face. Sorrow. He can't pay. Don't please. Il y a des moyens qui sont pas pour moto. Erere no way sway high yoto. See, he's crying now. Ew, at the pity for him. How they like to beat this little boy? If I dey beat this little boy, this something go they pay me. Make I do your face well before you do your face like who wants shit.
Please come forward.
Because I do your face just now, be like say you want shit. It's no caca. Oh, don't please, you say me they congratulate you for what? Oh, on a Giovanni no movie page. Hey, Giovanni, la wo. My page no get don't please in a don't please. Hey, Giovanni, what do they call her? Hey, Giovanni. Hey, Giovanni, carry don't please page give don't please so we don't use God beg you. Where they call the guy say? Infinity Saga, ne Giovanni, Infinity Saga, old man. We just God beg you. Carry don't please page can't give don't please. Oh, Infinity Saga, ne Giovanni, you know see. Oh, Infinity Saga, please. Just have a little pity of him, please. Pity him. Just say, don't please take your page. The password that I'm using, change your password. Control your page by yourself. See ya. Infinity Saga, don't please the borrow page. Oh, Infinity Saga, no. This one when you do don't please. The one when you do don't please, now you can't go off pass. Infinity Saga, Edioma. The one when you do don't please, Oh, as don't please shout rich. As don't please, when they saga you, don't please was there. Oh, this something touch me. Oh, I don't know why I get pity heart like this. God, let the pity heart still be with me. Even if say they beat them, I'll see they get pity heart. Infinity Saga. Oh, please. Infinity Saga, I'm pleasing you, whether not please, on behalf of Don Priest, please, give Don Priest a page, please. You hear? Don't Infinity Saga, old man, please. You be old man. This one are your junior brother. Infinity Saga, please. Just give him the page. Okay, Infinity Saga, as Don Priest now, Percy Dashan page, he good. Percy when he get something before, Percy can't Dashan. Waiting he get before, Percy can't Dashan that the same thing. It's not good nah. Infinity Saga, please just try, okay? I still feel pity for him when he said that he borrowed they borrow page now. He said they borrow page. How can somebody be borrowing page and be using on borrowed page for life? On borrowed page, now they use for life. They borrow page. Then they do live video. Oh, this something pay me. God, why you give me this kind of kind heart? I bet God give me a letter and they not because of these mumu people, not be the kind heart. I'm going to say why you give me kind heart. I like and well. Oh, I beg, commenters so they here, you people should beg on behalf of Don Priest, make Infinity Saga, make it bring the page for him. He say, nah, KO family, dash and page. It's not good. Something when they dash you, how long when you won't use them? How long? And as KO family dash you the page, so not be say people want watch you. If they come there now, they see say you they shout. They will say this is not KO family. They will come on. They're not gonna watch you. It's not working. That page where KO family give you, it not they work. Because KO family get your page. Infinity Saga. The rest people no just be like Don Priest. Oh. And the priest, now that they call you mumu. This is why your people are calling you mumu. And actually, if you are that we mumu. This is real mumu. When they call and say, don mumu, don mumu. I got to say, why now they call this boy don mumu? This boy is true mumu. When they hack your page, all you will do, you go open another one. You know they see if you dey live. If some people dey live now, people they even come abeg, you people should follow my page. You people should follow my page. Eh? If what your on me ano, no be on me ano. If on me ano dey page. If Monica dey this thing, go there right and put for comment for there. Say abeg now maybe don't pre so now my new page be this one oh. These people they go know your new page, they go follow you. Why they go carry borrow page? Why they go borrow you page? This don't mumu this one don't spoil. This one don't get waiting. They want use this one do again. This one a cup hand full. Ah, don't mumu. Now this one why did they call this boy don't mumu? I don't know say this boy real mumu. As I dey write for comment reach, I know they call him Don Mumu. Only wait till they call him coconut head. Coconut head. I'll say don't priest the coconut head. Now they call him don't priest the coconut head because it's not so he had the main long. It be like coconut. I don't know say your people know say you mumu. Now maybe they call you Don Mumu. Open your page, guy. They grow up, they go small. But by this time next year, you go still see get people when they follow you. Even 6 months time. In 3 months time, you don't get people when they follow you. What till you do now? Don't please, you don't try for this one at all. Don't please at the verse. I bet my people make a leave now. Don't please, I'm angry. For this, you say me that they congratulate you, say they give you Facebook when they use again. When you can open Facebook at any time, don't please, you are a disgrace. You are a disgrace to me. I won't say that you are a disgrace to Edo State. You are a disgrace to me because only me alone. I come out for inside Edo State. Only me alone. You are a disgrace to me. No, not only me alone. You are a disgrace to Edo Sabah space. You are a disgrace. Oh, if you no get come see this one, you no go say, I felt you not say him. Hey! If you no get come see this one, you no go say, hey. I felt you not say this boy mumu. True, you mumu. God forbid. So no blood you your mono dozwa. What dozwa mumu? Don't prissy. They say me they congratulate you. Say somebody dash you page. Who they agree carry page? You know how many people want side page? People know they buy. Ow. My people may can't go sleep or time, don't go.
Sister Florence, you have this one go again.
I bet house.
Sister Florence, since you cannot talk to your wife, to be
that
woman is an hypocrite. You know the meaning of hypocrite?
You don't know the meaning.
People, this woman is the person that started.
You don't even know the meaning of hypocrite. Now you be the hypocrite when they inside this thing so. Don't please. So the dash you page, you don't feel go open page. You can open page at any as they do this video now, you go feel open page as they tell you now, they open now. If you even open page self, they put up for any live video, say, follow my page. Go put up for Frank Victor O. Say, do they follow Frank Victor? Put up for Frank Victor O. Even IK self, put up for IKO. If Ajaboy Namye Yahweh F, if they live video, put up. Go Iyeki, go put her. A lot of live video presenters there where you go say, na me be priest comedy. I be na follow my page. People go follow you, even people where they even insult yourself. They go say, me they go here waiting, Don Mumu go talk again. You just use yourself, take talk to Mumu. You know, say the day when they give una for this Facebook, if they true follow una. Can you imagine? They praise Oh, this boy, I'll do your fuck up next time.
He's sorting me social media. Every day they turn out this man like this woman, Kokobiri, stay behind. Let me congratulate my followers who follow me. Please, if you are here, you follow my page. See, I want to give Shala.
Page when you say somebody give you, that be your page. Page when you say somebody give you, how it become your page? Oh, this boy not too true. Guess head way too long. Now so it dey be since no the day. Since no day this boy head. Ah, he pay me for it. He pay me sha. Sha.
You, I want to pray for now. When I know the fear, I maybe don't pray.
Heavy on that walking. Heavy. Heavy. Who you want to pray for? This one now. This one now. This one now. Gambia. This one now. I want someone na heva oransa ever sa na nama oh we want pray who you want pray for then they say your head too long now it make you cover umohi.
They cannot break me down. Nobody can break me down. The way they know fit to break me down, so they know fit to bring you down.
Where you dey when they won't carry you down, you climb up. You climb up when they won't bring you down. Are you up? Oh, we're walking. Oh, umohi nebe. Emi nana. Oh, no level back by. Oh, it will now. Well, who that bring you down to where who? Urivoto, yeah, may they not bring you down. No, Rivoto, I'm more soto. Urivoto for now. Yeah, you dead and don't already dead down. Move, listen to his stupidity.
Believe in yourself. You understand me, so? So, as I say, in under many days,
When I don't say, if he creates one star, now small. If he creates one start, now small night they charge himself. Small night they start. Before you go know now, he go cut rope. Don't please you go say me. Before you know now, you go cut rope. You go start now. Monk realistic. He creates one start. He creates go start now. Mona journalistic.
get 11,000 followers. We are moving. So if you are here, you follow me, King of Glory, all my new followers. We follow this page. We not let shame come. They break records. See, under 48 hours, they knock 1,000 followers. Gonna be 11,000 followers. Baba, anywhere they did. Don't let blessing finish for the house. Ebi amu kwe miare. Imi kuna alana. Giari igbirame ya lao. Giho he lokitia. Let them see blessing. Baba, I expose blessing to their life. I don't know where they are, Baba. I say I expose blessing to their life. He said, look, Baba.
Increase one start.
Baba, he said, look, even no man, no man, I like that man. As far as they are following me, as Don Priest family,
you just be like Ajabo Mama. Now, so pray, and that woman, they pray. It's not way they pray for, it's not hungry maker. If Ajabo Mama, they pray today, it go be like, say, sky won't break. As he pray, reach, it's not hungry maker for abroad. Now, the same prayer you, they pray, so. Oh, advice I know what Magbe.
Believe my God Almighty will continue to stand by them. A bed in Wahala, you are son. All the bed you are going to sleep this night, God is going to anoint that bed.
Okay.
I believe Almighty God is going to sleep.
Okay, Monica say Infinity Saga not carry the page. Where the page can't go? Now, all those people when they saga, now they carry a page. So he got to say, na Affinity Saga carry a page. You know, say, ooh, another person carry a page. You go say, na Affinity Saga. Eh? So, this one don't know where a page go at all. Nama.
You understand me? God is going to sleep with your family tonight. I don't know where you are watching me. I say God is going to sleep with your family tonight.
God not they sleep
God
with
is
the
going to
family
be your
before.
security tonight.
They not be their
All my
security
followers.
before.
I declare, I decree in your life, blessing will finish on our life. That's why I talk. So I'm gonna continue to follow Don Priest Comedy family. Don Priest Comedy family. I'm gonna continue to follow me. You understand me? So we move. So my people, waiting make us come today. I contact my followers and I can't reply this Kokobiri master. Now see what he talk. Now say me, since I enter social media, they tell all the fans. Say since me enter social media, I never chop one error. Please, I don't know where you are watching. Now, please, wanna share this.
That true talk now. You never chop more
Anytime I
than
see my broadcast, let me share them, please. Thank you for doing that. Love and like. I'm gonna give one love and like. So that make Facebook for feed show another person. So now so it be. This woman you come out yesterday. He start to tell everybody say Don Priest never eat money for social media. Say Don Priest have been working for people, this, that. He talk rubbish. Even they say he want to go saga kill family.
He will not
one year kill family. Now if I know say me, I be battle fighter. As I be fight. You understand me? So I'll continue to fight. And I will never resist.
You go fight in vain.
Now they hear me so I will
Don Priest, you don't fight in vain. The one when you fight a fight, where the Facebook? Where the Facebook? They continue to give frank and give frank and you think don't frank. Will be now me on Facebook no one the Facebook no so it chant joy. You not even see anywhere when you say where I go find now. Now they carry this in, now they dash show. Now they appear or made the open page but they are safe. Grow the page up. The one when person don't use throw away. Now you can carry give you. You are a non-entity. You are a nothing but a low capacity of reason. Now you get. Don't please go and open your page. You don't have Facebook page. Now borrow now you did the dash you Facebook page. No be say na document that they open now. They'll say you don't see document they open now. This boy who come or come.
never resist fighting. I will continue to fight. Nobody can break me down.
You felt there or before?
See, if you know the fear, start with the saga kill family. Maybe I you start our saga again, street saga. You understand me? So, if you know the fear, wanna start with the saga kill family. One how they like better thing. You see the way they do Sister Florence. The way they do Sister, you think say Sister Florence not wise one day.
I believe that
Sister
one.
Florence, maybe you're the mumu there. I know say one day you will wise.
Wait, who go wise?
Sister Florence, one day you will wise.
Wait till you want make her wise.
This woman cannot be using you every time. You think he's using you. You the mumu yourself there. This boy, he help you. See, Sister Florence.
No mumu you when you mumu like this. You now they no mumu you. How you can't take mumu? They no mumu you. No woman mumu you. Why you can't does all like this? Why you can't mumu like this? If na woman I the mumu ma, who come mumu you when you can't the wear like this? Who dey that all the mumu will gay, long head, or pure or mango.
Yes, think you have family in Zimbabwe. For a very long time, you are not go to Zimbabwe.
You not run leave your family for Italy when you forget. For a very long time now, you see the children hypocrite. Hypocrite, bagwoko. Hypocrite, bagwoko. What of the children when you run leave don't please? You know they talk your own. Now you make if una they saw something he saw person sometimes. Oh, who can't take very well. He ain't say, una cause not they reach the person body because why he dey una body too. You know run the woman when you dey with for France now. Now that woman, now be the first woman when he born for you. No, not be the first woman when he born for you. Not just say another woman you go follow stay. Now use they talk another person, you see Kento they cut pot black. I be pot they cut Kento black. Ah, Ozuo.
You have not go to Zimbabwe. Somebody just put you in one room, 3-room apalo there. Say your life, you are a big man. That is not a big man.
See, you not be Ishan woman, not be put you for house. Yeah, now they say nothing well now go do now say for this Facebook when he go buy una. Now only disgrace now go collect for inside. Don't priest, not be Ishan woman house, not be you there for France. They not put you for house. Now your story, now you just dey narrate so. I like can when be say in a telling negbian. May well like we can tell me. Now your own life story now you dey narrate so as you take follow woman dey house. So you tell us more yeah. Mumuma.
If you want to know a big man, is what you have done in Africa that makes you a big man. So Sister Florence, this woman, you think
you when they follow woman up and down, they go woman go rent house, go put you. Wait till you don't done for Africa. The one when you first go, the woman when you marry for Italy, when he marries you, not because of paper you married that woman. They said the woman not give you paper. Now you leave that woman, you can't go stay with Isha, a woman for house. You know the shame. Now your story, you just they tell us. I bet don't please tell us your story. Storyteller.
is enjoying now because why you are a mugu. See mugu where they call me so. Now you be the big.
Now you be the mugu. So you know say that they call you mugu. This is interesting. So that they call you mugu. So they are calling you mugu. So you know that they are calling you mugu. Oh yeah.
Yes, mugu. Me dog wise now. Nobody can shoot me again. So for my followers, I not also know they see money for so.
You be mumu. You can never is at this time, you still mumu. Which time you want to change? At this age, you mumu reach this age. Where you want change? You know if you change now. Your mumu is everlasting mumu. You know if you change. Don't be this fool when you fool yourself for Facebook. How you go to change? You don't already be mumu. Where coin. What are you changing? You don't go complete again. You are a dead way. Mumuhi. You might be so normal.
Social media. I say I not be transparent. All this one I pay at we busy they don't fit to pay me money. So now we still understand Facebook. We couldn't see and
nah, lie you lie.
We don't my admin.
Nah lie. They not pay you anything. Now they write and comment. They not pay you anything. I can this when you print comment so I can print it out. Who pay you? You receive money like this for page. Now they carry your page waka. Liar. If they come print something come and they say, now this on Facebook, now they pay me. And this on Facebook, they pay me. Where the Facebook when they pay you? Bring your account when the money enter. Where your name, where everything. Bring your account where the money enter. You get bank when they will pay the money enter. You get bank. You get document. Without no document, you know if you open account where they can pay and put. Liar. And so that they do now. So they don't lie. At the end of the day, now know they feel buy something put for our house. Our house dirty like rat house.
They pay me. Now they hear me so. So just that I know they see my payout. You understand me so. So normally I suppose they see my payout. Now they see all the money where they come. Now what you call the get problem with me and before this one happens so. So anyway, it don't come out. It's not.
They say not be carry your page. Person when not carry your page, how they can't pay you for your page? How? Okay, don't come and say not be carry your page.
Be carry, you use the family to everything. So there's no time. Me and I can't fight. No, we'll not be fight. Me, people, you don't help me. I know they can't beat them anyway. Because definitely now
you know if you fight.
That for time, that time. So as
you say you won't fight. Most people don't saga Infinity Saga. Now your Now go come enter the world. Now you go come enter viral. If you go dey fight Infinity Saga, now you people go dey laugh. Because people have already fight Infinity Saga. They have already called Infinity Saga different name. If you go there now, say you want go insult Infinity Saga. Now you dey disgrace yourself. You yourself know say now you dey disgrace yourself. Now it make you no even try to dey insult Infinity Saga. Like if you go insult Infinity Saga now, if I reach there now, you are go say you be fool. Because they don't fit dey insult Infinity Saga. One person insult am, two insult am, and third insult am, fourth insult am, fifth insult am. Wetin you wan come talk again? E no go make sense now. Heavy.
Still, he render help for me. The way he call am, no problem. I leave everything for God. And I know if he come out now, come say I want Sagara. No, I know they do that kind of thing. Me, na stubbornness. I make me not to go school finish. And you hear me so? I never know my story. Stubbornness. I make
You no get story. You no get stubbornness. People they stubborn. All people they for court. They for court for school. They graduate for school. They go serve. Now stubbornness, I make you not go school finish. I be you not still pay school fees for you heavy. Stubbornness, they make person not go school finish. What of people when you go university, when they court for school, they court, they go university, finish, they go serve. So go start for just, so go serve for different place. They lie. Now love them and I need to not go so finish. Defend the Infinity Saga.
If you know me, Don Prince, we have for grow. Stubbornness. That make me not go school finish. If not be stubbornness, I suppose go school finish.
You be primary school dropout.
That does not mean I don't know how to read and write.
So you be primary school dropout. Abi you be JSS 1 dropout, abi JSS 2 dropout. Now you they come make noise for social media. So you are coming on social media to make noise. Just a primary school dropout or JSS. Where do you drop out from? Is it from JSS 1, JSS 2? You drop out from JSS 2. You are coming on social media to make noise. And you are coming on social media to talk to people. The same time you tell people that you are a freedom fighter. And the same time you tell people that you are a motivational speaker. You motivate people. Illiterate fool. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? A primary school dropout. That is the problem you have. Because I see your character and your behavior. I know that you didn't finish school. Because if you go to school, you will not be behaving like this, shouting like, you're not the yeah, man. You're not the yeah, man. Just be like, street fool. Now you be the time when you day house. Street fool. Your mate will take the money, they will all go to school. You are all over the area committing nuisance, stealing stealing foul all over the place. Okay, you didn't go to school then. What do you busy with? When other people go to school, what do you busy with? You are everywhere. You didn't go to school, you didn't learn work. You are not ashamed of yourself. A motivational speaker. Look at what you are telling your audience, telling your fans, telling your follower that you didn't go to school, that is stubbornness, that didn't make me to go to school. People do stubborn. They go to school, they finish school, finish secondary school. As big as you are, at your age, you didn't go to school. How old are you? Even 60 years old men, they went to school. 60 years old men. I make you they behave like or more zoo because you don't have sense. I see it in you. I said that this guy is an illiterate. He's a sat illiterate. He didn't go to school. That is why you have this kind of character, this kind of weird character. Because the people that go to school, they have limits. He don't have limits. Just continue to the fool himself. Wherever he find himself, he begin to disgrace himself. You say where Ajabo don dey, whether or not they come out again. You don't see Frank Victor. He respond to Frank Victor too. Frank Victor say his wife don't drive am for house. Ajabo dey spay. That one be think say he want from live video become king of saga. You know? You want from live video become king of saga. He no know say saga, when he don't fool himself finish, he go enter house. And as he fool himself finish, he enter house by himself. Nobody drive and enter house. Now, so I felt talk, I say, if you fool yourself finish, you go enter house. I said it in one of my videos. I said, when you are done fooling yourself, you will go inside house by yourself. Nobody is going to push you around. You are the one that will fool yourself. When you are done fooling yourself, you will take yourself inside by yourself. And I'm waiting to do. And people, may we come they go, Joe.
Oh, I cannot express myself in public. You understand me? That does not mean I cannot express myself in public. There are some graduates we be see, we me for the express myself, we are for the express my
You lie.
gravity. So many people said that they'll see the shakes here.
You are a liar. Where a graduate stand, you cannot stand there. You couldn't finish junior secondary school, which is from JSS1, JSS2, JSS3. Junior secondary school, you couldn't finish junior secondary school. How can you talk where graduates talk? Do you know what you are saying? Even senior secondary school, you couldn't finish senior secondary school. Junior secondary school, no. Talk less of senior secondary school, which is SS1, SS2, SS3. You couldn't go SS1, SS2, SS3. You end up your life with JSS1 or JSS2. Then where a university graduate stand, you think you can stand there? Are you silly? It is enough to they talk for math. You can't chest it. Eh? You not go fit. Even where secondary school, person when you finish secondary school, you not go fit stand where you stand. Person when you finish SS1, SS2, SS3, you cannot stand where that person stand because they have wisdom, they have knowledge, they think before they do. You don't think before you do. You are just talking because your people is there. You just want to talk. When you talk, sometimes you close your eyes. When you close your eyes talking, then I see the kind of person you are. I see that you are a moron. 100% moron. You have it in you. No, always remain small. May spit. They come on. They say, now let that one escape you. That is only what escape you from your morality. Look at the way your head is long. We don't know anything. Where do you want food this head? How many cup of rice go food this head? This head na big head now. This one a big head. If you want to cook, say you want to use this head now to cook rice. Did you know how many cup of rice go enter this head? Do not say this head is small. This head is not small. So it's a very big head. Or you know. In the olden days, there is a basket. Our grandfather used to take things from farm, yam, all those things. You know, they always use it to take farm. Then they would tie it in back of their bicycle. Then they call it ahwan. In Ishan language, they call it ahwan. I think in Benin also they still call it ahwan. It's men that use it to take yam home from farm. That is how his head look like. This head, nothing day here. If you not can go make go. Nothing day. It's just an empty vessel. Nothing day yet. Now you make up they behave like Ozuo. My boy, may I leave on a good night.